small petty thing.
You have
You're a
absolutely
girl.
no idea what you're saying right now. And I am already very upset.
I just feel that the reason we're just partying today is because we want to say thank you for all the support we've got from the industry and the support we've got from everyone. And we're really happy that Mr. Dinesh Vijan doesn't have to sell his house for making Finding Fanny.
No, I think we're really happy because once in a while a film comes which kind of gets this kind of support, and I think we are really thankful for the support it's got from you guys, from the industry, and from even the critics, and like the kind of reactions we've got. We're really happy. So this is just to celebrate the support we've got. It's not really a success party yet, right? Because everyone was leaving tomorrow, so हमने decide किया कि आज let's all meet before we all discuss. And today you will get to see the whole cast together.
Yeah, पूरा cast आएगा. So you will not be airing this,
but we will
since
still
there'll be the full cast, and you all can talk to them.
हमारा पूरा कास्ट और बाकी सब आप सरप्राइज हुई है कि कौन कौन आता है. बट आई थिंक यू विल बी हैप्पी. जिन्होंने भी इस पिक्चर को सपोर्ट किया, हमने एक्चुअली कास्ट एंड क्रू, और जिन्होंने भी इन द लास्ट 2 weeks have supported us, we've called everybody.
जी. I don't know about magical. I don't know how magical it is, but I'm no, but I am unfortunately Dino's bonded labor now for the next 5 years, I think. So
yeah, because if I've made Finding Fanny, then he should stay, na?
We have to.
No,
I think it's a. I'm sorry. I think it's a. Celebrities know that they are in a public domain, that their private lives will be scrutinized. But in the case of Deepika, in this situation, that what happened was, it was something that was pulled out, which was done a year ago.
Yeah.
It was very unnecessary. And honestly, my issue is not that it's about Deepika, or it's not about whether it's about her cleavage or her breasts. The point is that it is about objectifying women to make a headline, which I think is extremely tacky.
And I think we're very, very proud of Deepika for the way she's dealt with it.
Yeah? No? Yeah. नहीं जी.
एक अच्छी थी.
अभी उसको वापस चांस नहीं लेना है, वापस उसको हाउस लोन पे रखने के लिए, and it becomes a bit too much, So
हाउस लोन पे रखने के लिए becomes too much.
Sorry.
Hindi English version.
Speak in English.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
I've loved the film. My gosh, it's such a mad, quirky film, and everyone's so amazing in the film. So I can't pick my favorite. Every character is so weirdly quirky and fun. But I've loved every bit of the film. I think it's such an amazingly different film, so I've loved it. Please join me.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good
so much
evening.
better.
Yeah, then they start bashing the cameras and all, throwing the microphones around. Why do they do that?
Why do they do that?
Yeah, I don't know.
I think irrespective of success or failure, you would deal with positive comments as well as negative. So you gotta accept both equally and deal with it tactfully. Yeah, like Mr.
Like
Shah
I
is
do.
Here, yeah, break the cameras and throw microphones around.
This film in particular tastes very good, the success, because it was a film which had the odds against it and was made out of conviction. Sorry. I've always, in any case, believed that movies that are made out of conviction are the ones which run, are the ones which find an audience, and the audience smells out such movies. They don't need too much promotion. And as you can see, now it's confirmed that the film I do not promote always runs. And the ones I do, don't. So, there you go.
You're gonna love this one.
इतना तो करूँगा ही, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. नहीं, थोड़ा ज़्यादा.
What about me?
How much are you going to enjoy yourself? कितना enjoy?
None of your business. That I'll enjoy as much as possible. Don't worry. Thank
Okay, thank you.
It's always wonderful when a film releases and people appreciate your work and they appreciate the film that you have done. They appreciate the choice that you have made to do. So it's a great feeling always. जी जी ये wonderful. I think she's a very fine actress and a very good co-actor. So we all the five of us, had wonderful time working with each other because everybody was professional and right there, and there was a kind of warmth. But I would say a lot of credit goes to Homi Arjania for that and Dinu the producer. जब मैं 20s में था इतना याद आता है कि एक फिल्म व्हेन आई वाज इन माय 20s मैंने गोवा में शूट की थी a film called Jalwa which was directed by Pankaj Parashar in which also Nasir and I were featuring together. जी मैंने देखी है जी जी I think it's a very nice film and I think Shahid has done a wonderful work. I am a proud father to see his work in this film. Bhaiya, I am not much of a party man to disappoint all of you, but I've come here to be a part of the success of the film, be a part of Homi and Dinu and the entire cast. So I'll be here for a while to show my presence, chat with my friends for a while, and then disappear from here. Unfortunately, I was not here. I was shooting another film outside of India, so I could not be a part of it. I could only spare a day for some interviews that I could give, but it just happened like that. Yes, I think it's terrible because Kashmir has been like my second home, and I just cannot fathom the kind of floods that are happening in Srinagar. I'm just hoping, I've just come into India yesterday, and I'm just hoping that the government is doing enough and people over there are doing enough to be able to support and help the people in Kashmir so that they come out of this kind of problem that has happened over there. And I mean, you remember what happened to Bombay a few years back, and they are facing something of this kind. We need all of us need to help in whatever way we can so that they come out of this problem as best as they can. Thank you so much.
Very, very good equation with them. And we did this song in one day. And
Yes.
they are the only people who I think who could have got the tone of the film so well that when we do songs in Hindi movies or English movies, sometimes we do it just to promote. But there are two people who saw the film and connected it with it so much that in one day they came up with this song. And we were sitting and we came up with the hook also.
Exactly.
Like that.
He came up with the hook.
So anyway, so I'll leave you to them. But they
Yeah.
are the boys who've done Shake Your Booty.
अरे गुनगुनाने वाला भी है कहाँ गया दिव्या ये दिव्या कुमार है इन्होंने हवन करेंगे गाया है अब शेक्यो बुटिया गाया है अच्छा तो प्लीज गाइए
गाना गाना
ओ हाय रे मेरी फनिया बड़ी मिट्टी मिट्टी है
यार क्लैप तो कर सकते
हाय रे
हैं
मेरी फनिया बड़ी सिट्टी मिट्टी है हाय रे मेरी फनिया मोहतरमा तड़पाए हाय रे मेरी फनिया मेरी जान ले जाए
Shake your booty on the floor Shake your booty on the floor
Thank you.
No, we expected it. What the hell? You know what? We had Deepika, right? So we expected it.
No, even other. I think the backdrop was pretty wacky. Homi is very honest. He said, "Please give me something out of the box, or don't give me." So, we at least just tried honestly to do something we had not done before. And I'm just glad that people are liking it. People are liking the film. So I think it's job done. You can ask Dino sir.
You know what happened? Actually, we made a song for Fenia, and then our creatively brilliant director said that if it's Fenia, I made with Bhutia. So that's how the Bhutia thing came.
Also, I think for Illuminati only last time for Go Gogon we had done Babaji Ki Booty. So I think this is only a handsome
Extension of
advancement.
अब आप बताइए आपको क्या देखना है? हमको भी आइडियाज चाहिए.
वो भी खैर इल्यूमिनाटी डिसाइड करेगी, बिकॉज हमारा जो अगला प्रोजेक्ट है वो भी सैफ साहब के साथ है, इल्यूमिनाटी के साथ. तो हैप्पी एंडिंग जो नवंबर रिलीज होगी उसमें आपको बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलेगा. देखिए अभी तो मैं बोल नहीं सकता हूँ ज़्यादा, बट मैं इतना कह सकता हूँ कि कुछ इतना ज़रूर बोल सकता हूँ कि फिर से एक बार दिव्य कुमार का जलवा देखने मिलेगा.
ये इन दोनों की वजह से मिला था मुझे. मैं इनके साथ काफ़ी टाइम से काम कर रहा था और
एक्चुअली क्या है, हम एक दूसरे को मिल गए ना, तो अब हमको इनकी आवाज़ और इनको हमारे गाने मिलते रहे.
सो ऑल थैंक्स टू सचिन जिगर और डीनो सर जिन्होंने वॉइस को पसंद भी किया और गाना इतना बड़ा हिट हो गया. ऑल थैंक्स टू
इतना बड़ा हिट हो गया था.
नहीं हुआ. कायपोचे में भी गाना गाया था शुभारंभ और काफ़ी सारे गाने लकीली मिले मुझे और बस आगे भी मिलते रहें. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
Was it expected? I think more than expected. We were hoping and praying because more than different, it's a film that is exciting, that is new. We're trying to give the audience what they've been craving for a while, to push the envelope. It's validation कि अगर आप कुछ नया करेंगे और अच्छी तरह करेंगे, ऑडियंस आएगी देखेगी. और हिंदी में और इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेज में the film has proved to be successful. I think that goes to show the audience wants to just see good cinema at the end. Well, yeah, I mean, Gunde 2 states and this would be the third, so yeah, it's very nice. I'm trying to keep up with the hit brigade.
Hi. This was not an experiment. It was definitely not an experiment. It was definitely, it had its heart in the right place, and I think most importantly, we all believed in it, and which is why we made the film. And then of course I think that energy has translated on screen, which is why I think the audience today has liked it so much, and it's got the kind of reviews or the box office. Are we surprised? Yes, most definitely. Because do we want our films to do well? Of course we want our films to do well. But this kind of love and appreciation and the box office collection is something that I think it's surpassed our own expectations.
It's overwhelming. It's very overwhelming. You didn't expect her to react.
I have said what I've had to say, and I'm not going to say anything more.
I think it's not about negativity or positivity, ma'am. You're a girl yourself, and I think you should not be surprised. You should be happy and you should be supportive of it, and so should everybody in the fraternity. Sometimes we have to look within ourselves and work on the mistakes that we make. Because of one person's mistake or whoever the people were, I think everybody gets a bad name. It's unfortunate what has happened, and I'm very, very happy and very proud of her that she's taken a stand, and we're all with her. I think the camera
Can
should
you
pan
pan
at
this
you.
camera on this lady here?
Can
please?
you just pan the camera on her right now? It's a small petty thing.
You have
You're a
absolutely
girl.
no idea what you're saying right now, and I am already very upset, and you're making me even more upset. And you're being a woman and you're saying
Yeah,
this.
that's very, very unfortunate.
This is what I've been wearing since the morning. We've had
The Happy New Year music
the
launch.
Happy New Year music launch, and then we had some other shoot to do, and then I've come here. So I'm wearing Sabyasachi basically, to cut the long story short. Exactly. So why don't you all focus on these issues instead?
जी नहीं सर, ये बिकॉज मेरी अगली पिछली सारी पिक्चर इस वक्त ख़त्म हो चुकी है और मैं डेढ़ महीने की छुट्टी पे हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा बाल काट के फिर से उगा लूँगा. बाल एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो बहुत जल्दी उगती है, तो इस बार काट ली. जी So I'm very happy if Sonam feels that way. जी, आप जैसे ही इजाजत देंगे यहाँ से जाने की, हम जरूर एंजॉय करेंगे. अरे you took 2013 with you. That's why we were looking
Let
for
me
it.
check.
कहाँ? अरे ले गई दीपिका.
Finding 2013.
Finding 2013.
No, I have no such intention. You don't. ऐसे नहीं हो सकता भैया. ये यहाँ पे खड़े हैं.
बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है.
मैं ऐसे करूँ. तो no, I have no such intention. You don't make the films keeping just the success in mind. You do the films for the love of. For what you believe in, you want to tell a story and enjoy the process of making a film. One never really worries about the end result. Success and everything else is secondary. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and the journey of making those films.
दीपिका, sorry मैं Happy New Year के म्यूजिक लॉन्च पर नहीं था.
सिर्फ आपके लिए ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस रखी हमने.
पहली फिल्म थी ओम शांति ओम, आपने फराह के साथ की, और ये फिल्म कितनी फराह बदल गई है, कितनी दीपिका बदल गई, कितना दोनों में ग्रोथ.
एक्साइटमेंट अभी भी उतनी है दोनों पिक्चरों के लिए. मेरे लिए ओम शांति ओम इज वन ऑफ अवर बेटर फिल्म्स, इज वन ऑफ अवर बेस्ट फिल्म्स, एंड आई थिंक हैप्पी न्यू ईयर इज पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स बीइंग full on entertainer that Farah has always promised and delivered. So I'm really excited as an audience member to see Happy New Year. Farah?
You know you have done a me, no, just now?
What?
You asked me the question.
And I've answered. No, I knew, but you looked at me, so I answered it. I just got very happy. I'm very excited
You have
for
done
Happy
a,
New
by
Year.
the end of it, you've done a me.
But I wanted to answer it. I'm too excited for Happy New Year.
हाँ. क्या? क्या हुआ?
आप कितना बदली, फारा मैम कितनी बदली है, दुनिया कितनी बदल गई?
I've obviously grown over. I've obviously learned over the years, and no, I have obviously learned. आप लोग यहाँ आ जाइए ना. Okay, so I think we've all learned over the years, and Farah also, I'm sure, when she directed me, it was her second film. Today it's I think her fourth or fifth film. So we've obviously learned, we've obviously grown. But what I can definitely say is हमारे बीच जो equation है, जो एक माँ बेटी का जो एक relationship है, वो बदला नहीं है और कभी नहीं बदलेगा. Absolutely not, और मैं चाहती भी नहीं हूँ. For me, the sign of a successful film is not by the money it makes, but the fact that it should have repeat value. And I hope that Finding Fanny is one such film where people go and want to watch again and again. जो लोग appreciate करेंगे, उसको enjoy करेंगे. I have never, for me, the definition of success has never been related to box office. I hope so.
I hope so, yeah. I hope so, really. एक पिक्चर से हमारा पेट नहीं भरा. We really enjoyed working together, and hopefully somebody finds the perfect script for both of us to come together soon.
The best memory from Finding Fanny you both have?
The entire experience.
Difficult to quantify as one. Yeah.
The entire experience, I think, from the time we started, from our readings to the time that we've spent together in Goa, and not just on set, but the time that we've all spent outside of set, bonding, getting to know each other, spending time with each other. I think that has all been really, really special. This film would not have turned out like this if all five of us didn't enjoy being with each other. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
See
you.
you guys.
ऋतिक, जानना चाहेंगे फाइंडिंग फैनी के बारे में, अगर आपने देखी तो कैसी लगी आपको?
I love the film. It's not your run-of-the-mill Hindi commercial cinema. I'm very happy that Homie is a thinking director who's doing something that is out of the box. It's spiritual. It is. Some people might not get it, but such cinema should exist. It's great.
आप लोगों ने शुरुआत की थी, जो आप लोगों की फिल्म बनी थी, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, उससे बॉलीवुड में एक नया चेंज आया है. तो आपको लगता है ऐसी काइंड ऑफ फिल्में बननी चाहिए बॉलीवुड में? आप
बिल्कुल बननी चाहिए. I think जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा was. Luckily, I was fortunate to be in a film like this. It's another world of cinema. It's a very giving film. It is not so focused on the self. It is, it's spiritual in some sense. I really like such films.
दीपिका के साथ अगर आपको काम करने का मौका मिलेगा तो क्या हम देख सकते हैं ऋतिक को?
करूँगा, of course, बिल्कुल. I would love to. She's a very, very fine actress and a very fine human being.
एंड बैंग बैंग की अगर हम बात करें जल्दी रिलीज नजदीक आ रहा है तो किस तरह की प्रमोशन के प्लान है आपके?
प्रमोशन के प्लान, वेल सब जानते हैं, इट्स ऑन द कमिंग ऑन द 2nd of October. I love the film. Hopefully, if it's not my best, it's one of my best films. So, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm very confident. I hope the people who see the film will also love it as much as I do.
ऋतिक, आपकी नॉर्मली जब फिल्म निकलती है तो एकदम हर जगह ऋतिक दिखाई देता है. बैंग बैंग के साथ ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? कम प्रमोशन
बाहर तो हूँ, देखो मुझे. I'm everywhere.
फाइंडिंग फैनी देखने वालों को मुबारक हो, आपने अच्छी पिक्चर देखी. अरे 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 सिंह 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 चिंग चिंग अभी के लिए रिटायर हो गया, बाद में आएगा अगले साल. रिटर्न ऑफ रणवीर चिंग. जैसे कि अब फाइंडिंग फैनी 2 में दरअसल इट्स ओनली अबाउट मी. इस बार होमी वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विथ माई परफॉर्मेंस, सो ही हैज़ चॉप्ड माई रोल अप. मुझे सिर्फ 4 सेकंड दिए गए थे. तो अगली फिल्म उन्होंने कमिट की है, फाइंडिंग फैनी 2 मेरे साथ बनेगी. उसका नाम है द गोस्ट ऑफ गाबो रिटर्न्स. उसका वर्किंग टाइटल है पापी गुड्डा. हाँ जी, तो किल दिल के पोस्टर रिलीज़ हो गए और रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा आया है. टीज़र पोस्टर निकले हैं. मेरा निकला, परिणीति का निकला, फिर अली का निकला, कल चीची भैया का निकलेगा. तो मेन पोस्टर भी, ट्रेलर भी विल बी आउट सून. द म्यूजिक ऑफ द फिल्म इज़ अमेजिंग. I'm really excited for people to hear the music of the film. It's quite special. Yeah, I think it's a national tragedy, and I think everyone in the nation should contribute in any way that they can to help out the people there, because I think they're going through a terrible time. I think it calls for us to stand united to help our own. हाँ जी. या ऑफ कोर्स.
लेकिन एक चीज है, उसके लिए हमें दोष मत दीजिए.
मैं whoever I mean no one, no media entity, no person, no one should outrage the modesty of women in such a blatant manner. I think it's downright despicable, and I'm glad she stood up, and I'm glad she took a stand.
लेकिन रणवीर थोड़ा शायद ये अपडेट भी हो सकता है. हम देखते हैं कि अक्सर अदर फील्ड में भी या आम जिंदगी में भी जो महिलाएं हैं, वो इंडिया में जिस तरह की कल्चर है मेल डोमिनेटेड, लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि क्या होना चाहिए क्या नहीं होना चाहिए. तो वो जो खामी है उसके बारे में क्या, क्योंकि न सिर्फ फिल्म के बारे में.
Well, I think आपकी बात सही है. We do have a patriarchal society and very unfortunately prevalent chauvinistic mindset. पर बदलाव आ रहा है, and that's a good thing. I think जितनी जल्दी और बदलाव आए, it will be better. As an artist, if there is any way that I can contribute through my art towards spreading awareness about women's empowerment, I will most definitely make it a point to do that. Thank you so much, and congratulations to the team of Finding Fanny for a grand success. They've had a great weekend. I hope the film sustains in the week. I think it will after such positive and glowing reviews. And my hearty congratulations to one and all. I'm really happy that I could be a part of it in a small way, albeit. But I'm very, very happy for everyone. Homi, Dinu, Arjun, Deepika, our wonderful senior veteran actors. I think it was a beautiful film. Very warm, very sweet, very endearing. A film with a heart. And I'm really happy that it's done so well. Thank you.